Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at my Black Friday order from the Happy Planner from day 2 of Cyber Week. So that was Tuesday the 22nd, it just showed up at my house today, and today is the 29th. There are still more orders to come. So this is a pretty small order, which we should be able to get through pretty quickly. I think that's all I got today in terms of Black Friday. Like, I got a bunch of stuff today, but I think this was the only Black Friday stuff I got today, or Cyber Week. So the first one is the mug that was from the earlier promotion. They still had them, and I wanted another one. So like this one's going to be like decorative, whereas I'm using the other one. You guys will actually see me using it too. So it's just another one of these, and it's not damaged in any way, which is awesome. So, you know what I can't find? Remember that fall Erin Condren box that I got? And if not, you can watch the unboxing. There was a mug in that I was going to put like pens in and stuff, and I have no idea where it went. I don't know what I did with it. I don't know where it went. It's just gone. I don't know where it went. So, if I'm ever rummaging through a box on camera and you guys see it, please shout out at me. Okay, so Tuesday the 22nd was the accessory day. So they released 4 new accessories. I purchased 3. I've already got 3 hole punches. I do not need a 4th. Like, I couldn't even think of... I've got one on every floor of my house where I would do planning, and I'm actually going to take one of them to work because I never plan in my bedroom anymore. So it's just hanging out there for no reason. But I could use it at work to punch things into my planner, so I'm going to take it to work. No need for a 4th. So I didn't get that, but I did get 2 of the big-sized covers because who knows if they're going to come out with more, when they might come out with more, and this is the first big-size cover they've come out with since those snap-over things that they had for doorbusters. I have a black one on my work planner, but I do like these better. So let's look at these so that I can get the glare off the screen, and then we will look at the discs. Now, I know, you know, the people that Happy Planner sent stuff to have already unboxed all this stuff for you. However, there is a difference, in my opinion, between the people who get the stuff to show it to you and it being in the hands of us mere mortals. Not that I don't love those people, I do. Quite a few of them are my friends. But there's just a difference. So this is very soft. It is very bendy. Shouldn't be too hard to put on discs, but we can chuck some discs on it to find out. It's got a nice pocket here. In fact, I don't think you guys have seen that video yet, but there's a video where I'm trying really hard to put like a journaling card in a pocket in one of my planner covers, and it just doesn't fit. And it's actually kind of funny, but I don't think I've uploaded that one yet because stuff started showing up in the mail and I got busy. Is this okay? So here's one. All right, so that will fit, and you can actually fit a bunch of stuff in here. So if you put it up against the edge, you can kind of wedge it. So, but you can put like stickers in here, appointment cards, receipts, anything really, whatever you want to. And then, you know, it's got the big pocket, which has this slippery black stuff. I don't know what the deal is with that. And then this one, which also has the slippery black stuff. I don't know why. That feels like plastic. You know, this isn't leather. This is some kind of vegan leather. It does have the Happy Planner embossed on the back. So let's see how hard it is to put some discs on. I still have those green ones. Okay. I just drop things all over the place. It's fine. Alright, so I still have the green ones, which do not go with this at all, I don't think, but just to see if they are easy or hard to get on. Oh dear. Well, the fact that I'm somewhat handicapped at the moment probably doesn't help. It might be one of those it's easier to put them on one at a time kind of deals. Suppose we could try that. Yeah, that might be easier. Okay. Yeah, so it's a little hard. It's not as hard as the one that came in the mystery bundle. It's not that hard, but it is difficult because it is this like vegan leather stuff, and it does go all the way to the edges. They punched through it, so not... Oh, I just damaged it. Fantastic. Okay, so be careful putting discs on and off because we can get it to focus. I just damaged it taking the disc off, so be careful. and it stuck to me. Okay, so yeah, that was upsetting. All right, it's okay. Before they roll away again. Put them over there. Okay, so we're gonna move these. So yeah, so that was disappointing. Just have to be careful with it, which I'll never remember, so I'll end up damaging it some more. But if you can remember, you can avoid damaging yours. All right, so let's look at the snowflake discs. Oh, those are cool. All right, so we're used to the heart and now Mickey ears, and then they do the random cutouts in the plastic discs. But these are in light blue discs. These are like ice blue. These are so pretty. I really like these. Now, the unfortunate thing is the snowflakes. Like, it's cool for Christmas, but it's like the white ones from last year that were snowflakes, with that pearly kind of white on them. Unless you don't, care what people think of what shape is on your discs. It's kind of, once winter's over, you have to change them. I don't generally care. So there's the blue, in case it was hard to see down here. Those are very pretty. And then we've got these. I don't recall, someone can correct me. I do not remember seeing a word cut out of Happy Planner discs. I could be wrong, but I don't remember it. Just as a reminder, I don't pay a whole lot of attention to plastic discs, so if they did it, it probably was plastic, and that's why I don't know it, but I really don't remember it. So these are gold discs. They are the lighter gold, which makes me happy because that darker gold, I don't like it at all, as I think you know. Okay, so let's stop putting them upside down and backwards, maybe. There we go. They're facing the right way now. So those are all very cool. Very, very cool. You know how much I love my metal discs, even though they run away. But yeah, so this was what I got that day. They also had 40% off the rest of the accessories on the site, but I didn't really need anything. Nothing really jumped out at me except, hey, this mug is still here, I'm gonna grab another one. That was it. Like, did not want another mystery bundle. Those did sell out though. I was surprised it took that long. But those did finally sell out. But last time I looked, the mugs are still there and the mini micro notes are still there. But yeah, oh, and they extended their Cyber Week sale today, and I was like, okay. So I guess we didn't buy enough stuff over the course of 8 days, and they need more money. I don't know. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.